Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. I'm also 24K on Twitter. Today we're looking at the Pitaka MagEZ Case 2 for iPad Pro. This is for the 12.9-inch model and it's compatible with the 5th and 6th generation iPad Pro 12.9-inch. So this is how you will install it. Because it's an Aramid Fiber case, it requires just a little bit of slipping in and then snapping into place. This case is compatible with the magnetic stand, also from Pitaka. We're not showing the magnetic stand today, we're just showing the case. And it's pretty thin, but also made out of really cool Aramid fiber. Here's the case. It's thin, look at that. But it has a space for the Apple Pencil 2 right here. Then you have the volume button covers right there. And then you have all the cutouts that you need for the microphones and speakers and everything else. And this plugs into the 3 dots on the back of the iPad Pro. So there's power and data that's transferred through those dots. And you can see on the back, it also carries to the back as well. And we have the magnetic piece right here built into the case so that it works with the corresponding stand from Pitaka right here. So it just attaches right to the magnetics on the stand. This has the slot here for the camera cluster on the iPad Pro, and it's a little bit raised as well. Aramid fiber is super cool. It looks like carbon fiber. It's a pretty good lighting here and you can tell that it looks like carbon. I really like these designs from this particular brand. They have iPhone cases as well that have the Aramid fiber. So if you like MagSafe and if you like magnetic accessories for your Apple products, definitely take a look at Pitaka. They also have different cases for other models of devices as well. This is the MagEZ Case 2 for iPad Pro, 12.9 inches. It's from the Pitaka collection, and it's compatible with the 5th and 6th generation iPad Pros. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.